Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and then select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So press all those keys at the same time, power, volume up. And you can see that we're already in the recovery mode. So in this mode you will use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And whatever is selected, you will then confirm it with the power key to confirm it. And simply you can reboot the device from here. Wipe data, which only has the wipe data, nothing in there else apart from that. And then connect with Mi Assistant, which is a program that you would use on your computer. And that's all you can find in here. Now to leave, like I said, you can then select reboot to system, and this will go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.